independent community. We wanted people to have a way to pull those videos together, not reinvent the wheel, and create community around that content. One of the first sites I created was a feminist video site. We now have thousands of videos on the site. And what we did is we categorized those videos so that people could more easily find them. We tagged them, we brought them all together in one space so that when you were looking for the content, you knew that everything that was there was going to be feminist. I don't know if you've ever searched feminist on YouTube, but it's a very depressing experience. Trust me, everything's not feminist. One of the other advantages of this community, particularly for nonprofits and educational institutions, is that it allows you to have some more control over the commentary. As you may know, YouTube often experiences a lot of sexist or racist comments. We wanted to create a space where people have the option to have open commentary, but you also have the option to have open comments. All videos are embedded. They're not hosted on the site, which means that they always have a link back to their original post, and also it means that you don't have to deal with the licensing issues around videos. You don't have to ask people to re-upload or mandate that they only upload them to a certain particular place. People can do what's right for them, bring it all together, whether it's Flip TV, Vimeo, Kaltura, Audiora, or
Flickr, whatever.
It doesn't matter. As long as it can be embedded, you can bring it into your community. We're particularly interested in local sites. One of the first sites that got built with one of our local partners was for Detroit, by WDET Detroit. They're a public broadcasting station there. And they've just curated high-quality video about Detroit. And I think it's really neat that they're one of the first users of the software, because I think that Detroit in particular is a place where we use to get out a lot more of the grassroots creativity that's happening there. Trying to counter some of the images that are seen in we've also worked on building our own video sites. We're currently working on building video sites for New York and Chicago. They're not quite public yet, we're just waiting for the next release. But the idea is that there's so much video in these communities. Video about the arts, video about politics, video about neighborhoods, video blogs, video about restaurants, but there's no good place to find it all in one place. That's what we're trying to say. The sites are fully customizable through CSS and as a premium feature through the template itself. They're also open source, so if you decide you can post it on your own server and customize it there. This is just one example of the guy who's really into cars. He created a car site. This is our software, but he highly customized it. So you can see there's a lot of customization there. Just to give you a sense of what the backend can look like. When you add a source to the site, which can be in the form of any video RSS feed, then you can either set those videos to automatically appear on the site or to come into your review where you can watch them and then approve, reject, or feature them. You can categorize them, you can add any tags that you would like to see, that sort of thing, or they
So this is how
yes, AmeriCommunity.org. It's free. It's free for a customer group. Anyone can sign up. No, anyone can, it's open source, so anyone can take it and host it on their own server. We don't have system set up to show you how to do that. We know how to do that. The premium elements include being able to host it, have it on the sharing and to change
in typical Web 2.0 crowd surfing fashion. And as we do this, we're going to play a little game called Take a Sip, okay? So we have a whole bunch of buzzwords up here. We may identify others, but if you want to play the game, every time I make a tally, you take a sip. This is our way of getting rid of the beers. Okay, so we have a giant group called EDU, which we may want to split up. But let me read off some of the things that are animating this group. Okay? And if it sounds like this is a group that you want to be part of, that's what you'll join in the next segment. Okay? More on that later. Let's go through the groups really quick. Okay? EDU. Integrate the transcripts idea. Innovation in EDU with courses at P2PU. Move FLOSS manuals over to Flat World Knowledge. Drupal education platform. Tech education. More P2PU. Educational profile badge. You guys are very silly. Open outreach to schools. Wiki collaboration. Wiki might be a big buzzword. Flat World Knowledge again. Educational open source. Connections for learning. International education. Developing a better / more accessible vocabulary around the open web for educators and activists. P2PU plus Flat World equals awesome. Wikiversity, Wiki Educator. Engagement with P2PU. Lots of P2Ps. There's a lot of potential between P2P. Yeah, P2PU is going to be really drunkard.
Is that a thing that exists? P2PU, please stand up. I'm sorry.
Were you here earlier?
No, I apologize.
Okay.
So actually, that's not a bad idea. I think maybe we're going to split out into a P2PU group.
Okay.
So can I borrow that from you real quick? I'm going to merge all the P2PU stuff into a new group called P2PU. This is for people who want to hack on P2PU. Knowledge sharing, access to content. More P2PU, P2PU, P2PU. Okay, so I'm going to merge this stuff over. Do you want to take over while I'm doing it?
Okay. So we're done with EDU?
I think we're done with EDU.
Okay. So, there's outreach EDU. Skill building, open access to instructional materials for coding, documents building. How to promote open everything. Decentralization, more siloed communities not talking to each other. Alright, let's see. Are these all in outreach EDU? Outreach, no. No, what is this category? Random. Okay, let's go through random. Problem. Project management in general. Open sourcing our idea generation platform. Strategies for web empowerment, making things easier, more transparent skill sharing. Are all the projects presented here on Drumbeat? That's a good one. That's a good one. Where? Drumbeat is down here. How do cultures' ideas get to their 100th birthday? Long Now Foundation, Women in Technology, Hardware. Okay, so content, let's go to content. Create meaningful media content that is shared for learning. Open source magazine, how can it arise and emerge from individual writers? Curating, editing versus publishing. Free Culture Club. A curated site, this one's a really long one. Free Culture Club, that's a cool one. Subtitles for foreign news and US news with foreign subtitles. Promotion of the creator endorsed mark.
By now, I hope just drink 3 beers.
Buttered popcorn micro communities for ed kids. I don't know what that even means.
Yeah, what's buttered popcorn?
Yeah, I don't know what that
So
means.
popcorn and butter are video stuff.
Where's the jargon horn? Yeah. Open transcripts, investigate universal titles with the Open Video Alliance. So I think we've got a video area down
I
here.
think this content section is video.
No, this open source magazine. There's these up here. There's a video. Okay, these are video. Okay, bunch of video stuff. All right, so we've identified. We got P2P, we got Edu, we got outreach. Let's see. We have international. It's down here.
Yeah. We trust you on this.
Huh?
We trust you.
Good.
It's good.
Okay.
We